Okay. English. I can. Hello. Yes.
Hey there, need a lift, buddy?
Lift? No. No lift. I need car. Taxi.
That's what I mean, man. A lift is a ride. Jump in. Where are you headed?
I go this place.
Brooklyn, 7th Avenue. Got it. Toss your bags in the trunk.
Trunk? What is trunk?
The trunk. The storage. Back here.
Oh, back car. Okay.
So, first time in the States?
Yes, I am first time. I from Russia.
Nice. You should say, it's my first time here. Or, I'm here for the first time. And don't forget the verb. I am from Russia.
Okay, I am from Russia. It is my first time here.
Perfect. So, what brings you here? Work? Study? Escaping a crazy ex-girlfriend?
No, I want live here. I have job, maybe.
You want to live here. In English, we use to after want. Repeat after me. I want to live here.
I want to live here.
Good man. And you said, I have job, maybe. Better to say, I hope to find a job. Or, I'm looking for a job.
Looking for? Like looking with eyes?
Exactly. Looking for means searching. I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for a job. I'm looking for a girlfriend. It's a phrasal verb. Very important for your journey, Alex.
Excuse me, how many money I pay?
Rule number 1, Alex. Money is uncountable. We don't say, how many money? We say, how much is it? Or, how much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Well, from JFK to Brooklyn, it's about $50, plus the tip.
50 bucks? What is bucks? I have dollars.
Bucks is just slang for dollars. $10, $20. It's how we talk in the streets.
Bucks is dollars. Okay. And tip? What is tip?
Welcome to America, kid. A tip is extra money for the service. If I'm a good driver, you give me 15 or 20% extra. It's the gratuity.
Extra money? For what? I pay 50.
In the U.S., it's the culture. Waiters, drivers, barbers, we all live on tips. If you don't tip, people will think you are, well, unhappy with the service.
America is expensive.
You can say that again, but hey, you'll get used to it.
Oh no, rain is many. Big rain.
We say it's raining hard or it's pouring, not many rain. Rain is like money. You can't count one rain, two rains.
It is pouring, correct?
Spot on. You're a fast learner. Do you like the rain?
No, I like when sun.
I like it when it's sunny, or I like sunny weather.
I like sunny weather. In my city, winter is very cold. Many snow.
I've heard about Russian winters. Siberia, right? Here in New York, it gets cold too, but the wind between the buildings is the real killer.
Harry, can I ask, why you say the? The rain, the car, the states. In Russia, we no have the.
Oh boy, the articles. A, an, and the. Look, Alex, A is for anything. I want a coffee. But the is for something specific. The taxi we're in right now.
Specific. So, I see a girl. But she is the girl I love?
Boom! Give this man a green card. You got it. Here we are, Brooklyn, 7th Avenue. Home sweet home.
It is here?
This is the place. Now, let's practice the exit.
Here is 50 and $10 for tip?
That's very generous. 20%. You're learning fast.
Thank you, Harry. You are good driver and good teacher.
Anytime, Alex. Hey, wait. You forgot one thing.
What?
How do you say goodbye in New York?
Goodbye?
Too formal. Try, have a good one, or take care.
Have a good one, Harry.
You too, kid. Good luck with the job hunt.
So, I am in America. It is loud, it is expensive. Harry says bucks, not dollars. He says pouring, not many rain. My English is not good. But I have my first everyday insight. Don't say how many money, say how much. Oh my God. Why American stairs so high? Suitcase is very big. My back, it is pain. No, it is hurts. My back hurts. Okay. Please be home. Please speak slow.
Oh, hey! You're Alex, right? The guy from Russia?
Hello. Yes, I am Alex. I am from Russia. I come here for live in room. Roommate?
Yes, roommate. Come on in. Don't just stand there in the hallway. Let me help you with that trunk. Wow, what do you have in here? Bricks?
Bricks? No, it is clothes and books. Russian books. Very heavy.
I bet. Anyway, I'm Emma. Welcome home, Alex. I am so glad you're finally here. The last guy who lived here was... well, let's just say he didn't wash his socks. Like, ever. So you're already an improvement.
Socks? Wash? Sorry, Emma. My English is very bad. Very slow.
Oh, don't worry about it. Honestly, your English is probably better than my Russian. All I know is привет and спасибо.
You know Russian. Привет is good. Spasiba is good.
That's the limit of my powers, unfortunately. But listen, we're gonna be great. This is a no-stress zone, okay?
No stress zone. I like this.
Okay, let me show you the grand tour. This is the living room.
This is bed?
That's a sofa, or a couch. You can sleep there if you watch a boring movie, but we usually just sit here and hang out.
Couch. Sofa. Okay. And many flowers.
Those are plants, Alex. I try to keep them alive, but I'm not very good at it. If they look brown, tell me, okay?
Plants. If brown, I tell. Okay.
And this is the kitchen, the most important room. We have the fridge, the stove, and the microwave. Do you cook?
I can make eggs and soup. But my soup is not very good.
Hey, eggs and soup are survival skills. You're doing great. Oh, and here is the house rule. If you drink the last of the milk, you have to write it on this list on the fridge.
Milk, right? Ah, if no milk, I write name. Okay.
Exactly. Communication is key.
Communication is key. Key for door?
Not a real key. It means it's very important, like the main thing.
Key means important. Okay.
And ta-da! This is your kingdom, your bedroom.
Wow, it is beautiful. The window, I see the street.
It gets a lot of sun in the morning. There's a closet over there for your heavy suitcase bricks, And the desk is for your English studies.
Desk. For study. Emma, I won't ask. I won't learn English fast. I need talk with people, with you. Can you help me, please? If I say bad word or wrong word, you say me?
Of course, Alex. I'd love to help. How about this? Every evening, we spend 30 minutes just talking. I'll correct you, but only if you promise not to get mad.
I promise. No mad. I won't be better. B1, C1, like big American boss.
B1 to C1. I love the ambition. We'll get you there, boss.
Oh, sorry. This is my stomach. He is angry.
Your stomach isn't angry, Alex. Your stomach is hungry. And honestly, me too. I've been eating this cold pizza, but I want a fresh one.
Hungry. Yes, very hungry.
Okay, here's your first real-world mission. There's a great pizzeria 2 blocks away. We're going to walk there, and you are going to order the pizza.
Me? Order? No. They talk fast. I forget words.
I'll be right next to you. I won't let you starve. But you need to try. It's the only way to learn.
Okay, I try. Pizza. I like pizza. What'd I say?
We'll practice on the way. Come on, leave the bricks in the room. Let's go. Okay, Alex. Imagine we are at the counter. The guy looks at you and says, "What can I get for you?"
Oh boy, my stomach is very empty. I need to tell her I want food. How do I say it correctly? I have hunger or I am hungry? Which one is the key?
What do you think, guys? Help Alex out.
Write your answer in the comments. If you are right, I get my pizza. If you are wrong,
I stay hungry. See you in the next episode for the answer.
Let's go, Alex. Pizza is waiting.
I come. I am coming.